prevent damage to your flatwork? Well, your flatwork is your series of sidewalks, patio work, maybe pavers, whatever's flat that you can walk on. And how do you prevent damage to it once you've seen damage? I'm Britt from WB Trees Consultants and WBTC3.com. When your flatwork is damaged, it's usually a drainage issue. It's usually swelling. Sometimes there's a cat in the background. I'm not really even sure about that. It's usually damage from drainage or cracking or swelling. You want to figure out the best way to address it. If something's uneven, you're going to need to solve that tripping hazard sooner rather than later. And if something's sagging from drainage, you're going to want to solve that drainage issue. At WB Trees Consultants, we're the best boutique firm in the world for small business owners, for apartment buildings, for hotels, for institutions like schools and churches, and for those gnarly jobs that you just need a team of dudes who do push-ups and want to climb all over your building. Check us out at WBTC3.com.